Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss about how to find top winning selling products for any kind of drop shipping. First of all, the number one dropship spy tool, winning dropshipping products. USA dropship suppliers. Product research made easy, best dropshipping tool. How to find the best dropshipping products. It's easiest way to find winning products every time. Dropshipping winning products. Here's where to find winning products every time. Article. What to sell? What to sell? That's one of the biggest questions you will be asking yourself. When building your online store, how do some stores end up making 6 and 7 figures, while others have a big fat zero? It comes down to having winning products, and fortunately, all you need to do is find one to make it big. So, in this article, I am going to answer a common dropshipping fact. Stop guessing which product to sell in your online store. Find winning product to sell. It's easiest way to find winning products every time. Most online stores have bestseller list. Amazon bestseller, so I'm going to be Captain Obvious. Winning products, now top winning products in 2022. How to find and sell winning products on dropshipping 2022. It's about time your online store started making six-figure profit with dropshipping. Sometimes just one great product enough to get you there. And what if you need to find winning product? What is winning product? A winning product is a product that sells like hotcakes. It's something your target audience really wants to buy. Shut up and take my money. However, just because people brush their teeth daily do not mean selling toothbrush. Where will you a six-figure e-commerce business with a lot competition that's one of already selling toothbrushes? Why should average customer buy a toothbrush from you instead of the coolest store? Hope you understand and like our video, subscribe our channel and press the no icon button. You never miss any update from our channel. Thanks for watching.